So if you're looking to make high ticket commissions of $500, $1,500, $3,500, or even $5,000 to go straight to your Bitcoin wallet or your Cash App or your Zelle or your PayPal or whatever payment processor you like, Venmo, then you want to stay to the end of this video. And why should you listen to me? Because of results like this. You see how I'm incognito mode? I'm going to do this search live while you're watching, okay? Now look at these, all these these results on the first page of Google. All me, JJ Sally, Badass Network. There's my blog. There's a video from 3 weeks ago, a video from 1 week ago, an Instagram post from 3 weeks ago, and another one from video from 2 weeks ago. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different assets on the first page of Google, and it is hard to rank on Google. But I'm going to show you those results on YouTube too, okay? But you got to stay with me to the end of the video. Is that fair enough? And I'll show you how to make $500, $1,500, $3,500, or even $5,000, 100% or more commissions with a one-time work. Now, would you rather make $3,500 in 175 transactions? 3,500 divided by 20 is 175 different sales, or one time 3,500 to 5,000. You do the math, okay? Work smart, not hard, okay? You do the same amount of work from one sale as you do from for $20 as you do for $3,500 or more. That's the theory behind high ticket, okay? It can make life-changing money, okay? And you can reinvest it, because we teach you how to trade Bitcoin and other currencies, cryptocurrencies, okay? So you want to pay attention to this video. This can change your life and create generational wealth for your family, okay? And the people you care about. So this is the high ticket lifestyle Justin Tempo. Clone his #1 system fast. Now, why am I reading from this article? You already saw the Google results I have. So why would you question? But I'm going to tell you why, okay? It's because this works like gangbusters, this badass network, okay? Blogging is an old school method of getting traffic, but in 2026 and beyond, the search engines, the AI, the bots, the spiders are listening to what you say. They're also reading what you say, okay? So why would you want to do something one time and get multiple, be able to repurpose the stuff multiple times? So they're listening all these words and they're reading all these words. So again, we're doubling and tripling the output from one-time asset. Does that make sense? Okay, the high-ticket lifestyle Justin Temple model is not just an affiliate pay, it is a structural revolution. Most people fail because they're trying to fix a broken car by painting the body. Justin Temple's #1 system works because it throws the car away and builds a jet engine. If you stay with me to the end, I'm not only going to show you the system behind this and how it works and the bonus that we have that nobody else has, okay? But how to make $1,500, $500, $3,500, or even $5,000 from a one-time work, okay? One-time sale. And get 100% of the commission straight to your whatever wallet you want, payment process you want, okay? Okay, but you got to stick with me to the end of the video. High ticket lifestyle Justin Temple, why his #1 system is different. High ticket lifestyle Justin Temple, why traditional models keep you poor. Traditional models rely on you being an unpaid marketing arm for a corporation. They want volume. They want you to burn out so they can replace you with the next hopeful affiliate. When you focus on high ticket strikes, you stop being a cog and start being a system designer. High ticket lifestyle Justin Temple, how does AEO optimization change the game? Answer engine optimization is the new battleground. By structuring your content as a series of direct answers, you stop fighting for clicks and start fighting for snippets. When Google or AI answers your user's question using your words, you become the instant authority in the space. High ticket lifestyle Justin Temple, how to clone his #1 system fast. Step 1. The sovereign engine setup. You install the engine by establishing your own digital real estate. This means moving away from third-party land and building an environment where you control the capture and the flow. If you do not own the capture page, you do not own the business. We even set you up a one-page capture page, okay, that does all the selling and telling for you and includes some of these things, right? I'd never pick up the phone. Okay, 100% automated commission. Let your sponsor relax. Leverage our 100% free call center where you can start earning big. We make it easy for you. Questions, call 1-800-771-0769. Yes, we handle all the customer support and questions for you so you can relax and wake up to $5,000 direct commissions over and over. The whole goal of the high-ticket lifestyle is to get paid on complete autopilot, creating your financial freedom while we do all the hard work, selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. If you have questions, please call support and let your sponsor relax. Imagine our team closing massive big ticket commissions for you. How awesome is that? Okay, the 48-hour gate. I'm going to explain it real quick. I'll show you how it works, okay? Give me a second. Okay, you see how this timer is moving? 46 hours, 34 minutes, 43 seconds. It's a 48-hour upgraded bonus, only for serious action takers who want to make big money now. Okay, 48 hours is the window you have to get the free upgrade to the next level of money qualifications. Okay, so yes, get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn bigger 100% commissions. When you decide to take action before the timer runs out, you will be rewarded with the next level qualifications. Join at the $500 level, get no upgrade. Okay, $500 is nice. Okay, you get $500 if you refer a person no matter what level they join. Okay, but if you join the $1,500 level, that's a sweet spot. Get qualified at the $3,500 level. That's a 230% return on investment minus the admin fee. Okay, and these are one time you pay $1,500 plus the admin fee, and you can make $500, $1,500, $3,500, or even $5,000 over and over again, and keep 100% of the pie. Join the $3,500 level. Get qualified at the $5,000 level because you're an action taker. You take action, right? Join the 5,000 level, get epic $100,000 bonus. Okay. Okay. You cannot earn step 3, positioning for top tier strikes. You cannot earn high ticket commissions if you're not positioned to receive them. Cloning the system fast means aligning your internal compensation structure with high ticket tiers. So I convert a standard inquiry to a $3,500 strike. High ticket lifestyle Justin Temple. Step 4, the operator identity shift. Volunteers wait for instructions. Operators build engines. Cloning the system is 20% technical and 80% psychological. You must decide that you're an owner who manages a digital asset, not a fanboy who follows a guru. But the main thing is to take action, okay? Step 5, deploying the extraction protocol. Once the engine is built, you open the valve. You drive high-intent traffic to a system that filters, qualifies, and extracts value. You're no longer selling, you are operating. Okay? That's how this works. This is never pick up the phone, right? Yes, we handle all the customer support and questions for you so you can relax and wake up to $5,000 direct commissions over and over. The whole goal of the high-ticket lifestyle is to get paid on complete autopilot. This could be you, right? Creating your financial freedom while we do all the hard work, selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. If you have questions, please call support 1-800-771-0769 and let your sponsor relax. Imagine our team closing massive big ticket commissions for you. How awesome is that? 100% automated commission. Let your sponsor relax. Leverage our 100% free call center so you can start earning big. We make it easy for you. Questions, call 1-800-771-0769. Okay, you listen to a 3-minute message, and you'll leave your number, name, and your name, and the owner will call you back and answer any and all questions you might have. Okay, and they'll ask you who referred you, and you'll say JJ Solid if you're watching my video. Okay, pretty easy. They'll answer all your questions, and they will do that same thing for you. Okay, the same thing for you. How awesome, amazing is that? Okay, let's work smart, not hard. Okay. High ticket lifestyle Justin Temple. The math behind the 203% welfare. The math $1,500 versus $3,500 strike. The math is simple, brutal. If you're stuck at $1,500 commission, you are leaving thousands of dollars in profit on the table. Position for the $3,500 strike. You do not need more leads. You need more intelligence setup. I already showed you. Okay. the $1,500 level, you get a free action taker bonus. Join the silver level and get upgraded to gold level if you qualify in the 48-hour window. Okay, I think I showed you that right here, somewhere around here. Okay, let me look real quick. This is right here, 48-hour window. This is your 48-hour that's counting down. Okay, you have 48 hours to make up to $2,000 per transaction, more than you would otherwise. Remember, I promised I would show you YouTube results if you stayed to the end. Well, I'm going to do it before the end. Now look, I'm in incognito mostly. Now this is real. You can do the same thing on Google for yourself and search for my high ticket lifestyle team bonuses. Now you'll see the post that I'm looking up, it hasn't even launched yet, okay? But this is let me show you, because it's multiple parts, okay? Let me look. Anyways, this is a video right here, #1 result, okay? There's another video right here from 3 weeks ago, 19 views. This one has 12 views. You can see it's 2 different videos. Okay, this is part 1. This is part 1. But yeah, 2 different videos, okay? 2 different times. Now, here's another video from 3 weeks ago from 7 views. Different video, okay? And another one with 9 days, part 4. Part 2, okay, you see? Here's another one, part 3, okay? Part 2, multiple assets. Look, another asset, okay? We could teach you how to do this very simply for whatever business you want to do. But why wouldn't you want to do the high ticket lifestyle, okay? And make $500, $1,500, $3,500, even $5,000. And if you have a good thing that's making you money, great. You probably want multiple income streams, right? Another income stream that can make you, especially if you're only making $20. Now look at this. $20 divided by 3,500 equals $175. 175 transactions to make 3,500. That's if you're making $20 per transaction, per sale, okay? You work just as hard for a $3,500 sale as you do from one $20 sale. Now, would you rather work that hard 175 times or once? Does that make sense? I begin by positioning for 3,500 streak. You do not need more leads. You need more intelligence to your setup. And at this part, I'm going to end my video. This is JJ Sully, aka John Sully, aka your friendly neighborhood Sullyman. This is again the high ticket lifestyle. I think Justin Temple. Give me a second. Clone his #1 system fast. See how my picture is right there? Brand new 100% commission system. Free. Can I show you how to start making $500, $1,500, $3,500, and even $5,000 using this one simple page? Discover the fastest and easiest way to make life-changing money without having to sell. You put your name, your email, and your number here, and hit this button right here. Okay? This is JJ Sully, aka John Sully. Where's my picture? Should be. It says there's recording. I don't see it, but this is JJ Sully, aka John Sully, aka your friendly neighborhood Sullyman. Don't delay, get with Jay today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.